Hey guys, welcome back once again to another video. Today, super quick short one for you guys. We've got a Autobeam interior light to install. Same for these ones, we've got two there that we can use at some point, and we also got one in the boot to install. So really simple what to do. Sorry to blind you, but basically you just get your fingers under there, pop that off. So be gentle with it, it is just plastic. There we go, that's all off. Obviously you shouldn't really do this with the bulb on, so I'm going to take the bulb off, but you can see where the bulb is there. I'm going to take the bulb off, replace it with this one, just slide it in, and we'll see how bright it is. But this is how bright it is currently in my car. Okay, so we're back, new bulb is in. Let me just get the flash on just so you can see it without me putting the light on. So there's the bulb, popped it in. Obviously you want it in that direction because that's the way the light is. But here we go, I'll turn the light on, so flash off, light comes on. That is how bright the interior light now is. That's compared to the old ones, which is that's ridiculously bright. So yeah, that's the thing, that's now on. That's madness, absolute madness. Right, anyway, next one, we're gonna do this one. So for this one, just got a trim tool. I can see there's some clips. Basically, you're probably not going to be able to see what I'm doing. Basically just feeding myself around here. Same in this side. Damn it, light. Ugh. This is very awkward to do left-handed from this seat. Right, cool. So that's the unit starting to come out. We're just going to do the other side again. Cool. Unit's out. Now on the back, this thing here is your bulb. Turn that. We'll be put into darkness. Let's turn on the crazy light. Oh, it's really hot. Right, let's turn on the bulb. There's your bulb. So we're just going to remove this now. Let me just get this. Just going to pause it. Basically, you just pull it out. I'm just going to pause it and show you guys. Okay, so to slide the new one in, that's the new one. Slide it in, you literally just push it into the hole. I'm not going to be able to do it one-handed, but basically you're pushing it into that hole there. So I've slid that back in. I don't know if you can see, but I've slid it back into the back just there. It's basically like a twist and it comes out. And that is the new rear light. Let's see if I can just line that up correctly. Oh, how does this go back on? It's so bright. It's unreal how bright it is. There we go. That's back up. You got that light and that light. I'm now living in a dreamland. I'm just going to stay outside the car and show you guys outside how bright this craziness is. It's so bright. It's mad. Anyway, onto the boot. Okay, so the boot one is just super quickly done, but it's really simple. Basically, you just get in here. I'll use this. He says, maybe I'm doing it the wrong way. I'm confused. Hang on. Nope, there's a little tab just here. You might be able to just see where I'm digging into. There we go. That slides out, and that is your sunlight bulb. So as you can see, I'm using the double one for the rears, and then it just slides back in, clips up, and we're all good. Yeah, the boot one's not too bad, like it helps, but it's nowhere near as bright as the interior ones. They're mad. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. That's a super quick install of some Autobeam products. Just to give you a heads up, we've got, in my family, we've got a Mark 6 Fiesta, and it did actually blow all the fuses and require us to replace the fuses because the car wouldn't start from installing that front interior bulb that you can see just there. So just be wary of that. You know, it's a problem we've had, and we are in contact with Autobeam about that. But we'll see what their response is, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, a bit of a strange one. But yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out. Remember to like, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't look at the light.